more than 10 years. They said, oh, yeah.
Say 20 years.
Now 20 years?
You been here more than 20 years, you know.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I said, when they say 10 years old, I even know that 20.
Well, let me let you kill you now.
Yeah, 20 years.
Over
20 years.
Yeah.
I've been in the country. I said, before I think of that 20 years I've been in the country, I can just be thinking, I said, Lord have mercy. My people, when you're in hard time, you have your children, don't say, oh, they had it and doing auntie, they will go to school set. Don't say so. In fact, I told one of my friends, she, daughter was so pretty, little girl. I said, let the girl stay here with me. You go to the market, you come back, so you will get her. I wash that little girl hair. They hair plenty. I lose it. I wash it. That time I never had children. But I used to let people children. I used to always sitting down when we were sitting our building. They
Tell the story, sure.
Oh, you come and can't yell at me now.
No, I'm yelling at you because
well, you don't want to bring a story now. Come and talk.
Okay.
So, and how I was doing. Not knowing that something good I'm doing in my life for the Lord people. To give people that they don't, they're able. People that need, that the people I used to look for. When I look at some of the old lady, I say, the cassava, the flower so, the okra, I will call it. I say, you bring it, I want it. When they bring up leaf, I will buy everything. Then I will give them rice. I'll give them oil, chicken soup. You name it. Then they will tell me, oh, now wait, cook up like Bogo, you got one road there, cook again, Kaila.
Okay.
Kaila kami. Nangy at the pot. Nago as by labo, I'm sure I can't get the pot. Put no acorn. Get the moral can get. Make it can get. Today, I tell God thank you. I tell Jesus thank you. To put a heart in my body. And when I see my children, when I see other children suffering, and their parents, I say,
you feel bad.
I feel bad. Because I was incomplete. Our only had our revenue agent, money, food.
You had it.
Drink.
You had
liquor.
It. Oh.
I couldn't drink liquor, but I was drinking the Coca-Cola. In the morning, I get up, making my breakfast, baking cornbread. But when all those things go, everybody for themselves now.
Hey.
That's it done now.
Hey. Okay.
One bottle of oil,